Kissing is a great way to show affection, but there's more to it than just a simple peck. Here is how to master 6 unique kisses. First, try the butterfly kiss by fluttering your eyelashes against your partner's cheek to show sweet adoration. For a chilly alternative, try the Eskimo kiss. Simply rub the tips of your noses together to show playful affection without using your lips. To demonstrate a deep emotional bond, give an angel's kiss by gently pressing your lips against your partner's closed eyelid. For a formal greeting, use the hand kiss by lightly kissing the top of a person's right hand to show courtesy and respect. If you want to be extra sweet, try the nose kiss. It's a protective gesture that shows you think they're cute as a button. Finally, cool down with the ice kiss by swapping an ice cube back and forth while kissing until it melts. Just remember to keep your breath fresh by brushing your teeth beforehand. You're now ready to pucker up.